Hey guys, we are back in one of my favorite cities in the Philippines. Yep, believe it or not, we are back in Iloilo City.
Batchoy restaurant that I haven't tasted yet in Iloilo City, and that is Popoy's. So it says 1978, so one of the original. And the Batchoy is here. Look at that. Ooh. And I also ordered some puto manapla. Puto manapla. It's good.
To be honest with you, I like it. I think I will rank Popoy's maybe top 4, top 3 of all the batchoy I've tasted in Iloilo City. But up to now, my top 1 is Alicia's Batchoy. It is just that Alicia's Batchoy just check everything for me.
That's Popoy's. It's just here. Always a line here. The last time I was here, there was a long line, longer than this actually. It's not lunch yet, so yeah, later it's much more longer than this and it's full packed the last time I was here. Look at that. Jumbo. We got the jumbo and we're gonna taste it. So last time we were here, we went for the queen. We tasted the meatballs, the chicken, and their fried rice. And it was underwhelming. So let's just say it's underwhelming and it's not for me. Jumbo siopao. Because last time the queen is so dry, but this one I think it's better. This is better now than the last time. Cheers. Okay. Or I gotta say, this is much better than the last time, the last siopao I had here in Roberto's. Usually, if you're having siopao, they have a sauce with it, but this one, you don't need the sauce anymore because look at that, so juicy. So juicy. Ooh. Sayang. Yeah, this is better than the Queen Siopao. And I'm back here in the Liberty. There's a lot of spaghetti worship even there. Look at that. This is the old Capitol building of Iloilo. And this is built around 1901. And yeah, that's Spanish time actually. It's old but it looks nice. Iloilo Museum. This is awesome. This is main column by Richard de la Cruz. And I think, look at this. See that? Workers. So it means this is maybe the spine or the column of the community of the Philippines. It's composed of workers. So without them, everything will fall apart. Did I translate that right? So these artifacts here in front of us are all discovered in autumn, and they said that these are dated around 14th to 15th century. Look at how old this is. Oh wow. Oh, this is 18th century. This actually is dated. All right, so that's it for the Museo Iloilo. What's your name, brother? John. So this is John. If you're gonna come here, make sure to hit him up because he knows a lot here. Thank you, man. Let's go check out the other museum, which is the Prison Museum or the Western Visayas Museum. So here it is, the National Museum of Western Visayas, and it's an old prison. So let's check it out. So in front of us, it's a petrified wood. This is my first time seeing one. Look at that. So it says that not on the wood in front of you. What does it feel? Let's do that. It feels like stone. This is one of my wife's favorite animal. It's called dugong locally here in the Philippines. It's manatees. So we had a lot of this before, but now it's endangered in our country. I don't know worldwide, but yeah. So here it is. This is a real skeleton of the dugong or manatee. So remember the bones that they excavated in Autumn, the one in Iloilo Museum. This is it. This is the death mask of the girl. That's the real one. It's pure gold. That is pure gold. This wedding dress is made of pineapple fibers or pineapple leaf. I'm not sure, but it's made of pineapple. It's awesome. Look at that. So elegant. I'm inside one of the guardhouse or guard tower, but they call this garitas back in the days. Yeah, this is pretty cool. We're in the second floor of the prison. I'm just wondering if this was open before. Alright, so guys, say hi. So these guys accompanied me here in the second floor to check out the garitas. And we are back in the Iloilo City proper because of Master Chua. There you go. Master Chua. How come we didn't see this before? And we ordered this is the dumplings. This is the siopao, and Ate, can you give? I want to taste two siomai then. So look at the siomai. First, let's taste the dumplings. Oh, this is a lot of dumplings. Cheers. Siomai. So this is a big siomai. This is a different siomai. Cheers. So that's the Master Chua. Did I like it? Well, all I can say is the serving is so big. Siopao is affordable. The siomai, not for me. I'm in Festive Walk now. Beautiful Festive Walk. Less chaotic than city proper of Iloilo City. And I'm going to check into the Richmonde Hotel. This is our room here in the Richmonde Hotel. It's so spacious. Look at that. Seeing some cars now parked at the side of the road. So that area right there. So maybe that's where we're supposed to be. And this thing, I heard about this, that people are not disposing their garbage properly. Look at this. The wind will take this away and it will be down there. I don't know if that's a farmland or that's a swamp or river, because it's so dark. It looks like a swamp right now, right here. So that's what's happening here. So to prevent that, if you're going to visit here in Sunset Boulevard, make sure to dispose of your garbage properly, so that we can keep the beauty of this place as it is. We have shake, of course, Filipino street foods right there. Tok nanay and fish balls and everything. They have the siomai rice. Another siomai rice. So there's a lot of option here. Ooh, dragon fruit juice. Balot. We're gonna have balot. So I'm gonna have some kwek kwek. It's been a while. I've been craving for that. That's really different from what I'm used to. This one is really like the batter is so thick, and of course I'm used to vinegar. This one is a special sauce. Yes, ma'am. I'm back here at the Festive Walk. Festive Walk at night. They close this early here in Iloilo City. Found a restaurant in the Festive Walk. So the little Korean street or town that I've been telling you guys about, that's called Festive Walk, I think. Because in Google Map it says Festive Walk. But anyway, yeah, there's a restaurant here, a Korean restaurant called Soulmate Home Kitchen. What is here? It's a spicy dak gangjong. Tama kuya? Okay. I tried that like 4 times already. So dak gangjong, spicy, and I have some side dishes here. Here we go. Spicy dak gangjong. Cheers.
This is a nice restaurant and I like what I've ordered. And it's not that expensive. I think this only cost me around less than 200 pesos. And it's really yummy. And a little bit spicy, which I love. And the best thing about this restaurant, it closes 12 midnight. It's only one of the few restaurants that is open in Festive Walk on that time.
Back at my hotel, in front of my hotel. And that was a good dinner. The kimchi is the highlight of my meal, and the radish. Exploring Iloilo City, and I hope that you guys like that. Exploring it with me. I have fun, and I hope that you guys have fun. So don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to my channel and of course click on that notification bell so that you can go with me next time. So thank you. See you next vlog.